What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bathtub spout. So when the shower is engaged, there's still a lot of water coming out of the spout. So we could replace the diverter, or for a few dollars more, we could just replace the entire spout. And that's the option that we chose. There are many different types of spouts. Some may or may not have set screws. In this one, though, there was not one. The spout is on pretty tight, so I have to use some persuasion. Since I'm replacing this spout, I don't care about messing it up with channel locks to get it off. A strap wrench is ideal for this, both removing and tightening. There's obviously some old thread sealant on here, so I'm going to clean that up. Then put a wire brush on it. Our copper line is 1/2 inch. Then I added some pipe thread sealant tape, and then I wrapped it on clockwise. Now it's time to install our new bathtub spout. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.